Hello everyone, I am Tarun valireddy and again welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux. And this is a simple way to install Linux on Windows 11. Before we were going to install Linux Subsystem on the Windows, we need to enable few options. Simply search Windows Features, turn on or off and, enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux and click on OK. After enabling the feature and open the command prompt, now we can simply install the Linux subsystem by the command wsl-install. It says that I am already installed the default version of Ubuntu. That's why it shows a distribution with already installed. If you want to install any other than Ubuntu, we can install by using the command like wsl-install by the name and the distribution what we want to install. For suppose if you want to install Kali Linux, it's going to download the Kali Linux distribution, but I don't want to install that there. That's why I'm cancelling that. After installing the WSL by using the install, then we need to open the Microsoft Store. If you downloaded the Ubuntu, then simply search Ubuntu and then install this one. Or if you want to download any other than Ubuntu, again we need to search that what we want to install. If you installed Kali Linux, then we need to install this. Or if you want to install Ubuntu, then we need to install Ubuntu. You can see this, I'm already installed the Ubuntu. Now simply open the command prompt and type. You can type or you can simply plus button, and then by default I set it to Ubuntu, but it doesn't comes like for you, so simply click on this arrow down and click on Ubuntu. Then we can get the Ubuntu. In the beginning it may ask you to set the password and the username, so I already set that. That's why it's showing that. You can see if we type, it says I'm already set that. So in this way we can simply install Linux subsystem on the Windows. After, if you face any error, simply restart your system after installing all the steps, and then we can access Linux on Windows. After successfully installing the Linux subsystem on Windows, if you want to access any information from the Windows drivers, then we need to navigate the root browser, and then if you see all the directories that are available in the root directory are belongs to the Linux, but one directory was about Windows. If you cd to the mint, and then we can see that the available drivers that are on the Windows, we can see that C drive and D drive. If you want to access any information from the drivers of Windows, and then simply change that to the C drive, and then we can see we are able to see the users and all the files that are available in the C drive, and simply change it to the users, and then change the user and then check. You can see that all the available directories, and then see I am able to access the information that is available on the Windows folder like this. And if you really like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.